This unique house is part of the Woodside Pointe subdivision. The first floor layout gives the owner everything they need on one floor for day-to-day living. There are 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths and a great open concept floor plan with hardwood flooring throughout most of the first floor. The kitchen leads to both the family room and dining room. The owner's suite has a large bedroom with high ceilings, access to the back deck, a large walk-in closet and a 4-piece full bath. The kitchen offers amenities galore, including lots of white cabinets which are offset by black countertops, double wall ovens, a brand new GE Cafe gas drop-in cooktop, a built-in microwave oven, dishwasher, French door refrigerator and a large island with more cabinet space and a countertop overhang for bar stool seating. The walkout lower level has awesome additional space for family or visitors. There are 3 additional bedrooms and 2 more full baths, a huge storage room with lots of shelving. The lower level common area was used as a game room by the previous owner. The stairs to get to the lower level are augmented by a wall-mounted electric chair lift with remote control. The 2.5-car front entry garage is on the right side of the house and has but 3 steps up into the kitchen, laundry area. The front of the house has a large porch with an inviting swing, great for sitting out front and chatting with friends or neighbors. The siding on the home is Hardee board. The backside of the house has a raised deck off of the family room and the owner's bedroom, wonderful for sitting outside bird watching or just grilling out. Off of the walkout lower level is a patio that feels secluded by the woods. The Woodside Pointe Homeowners Association has a monthly maintenance fee of $425, which includes trash pickup, lawn maintenance, maintenance of the common areas, including the waterfall.